Hi children, let us start next lesson. Okay, the Smash Girl. The Smash Girl. Okay, before starting the lesson, you can see here one activity, warm up activity. Okay, see, identify the sport given below and write their names. See, here you can see there are many pictures of sports. See, what you have to do is you have to find the uh, identify the sports given below and write their names. You have to find the names of these sports games and you have to fill it. Okay, this is your homework. Do it and send to me. Let us start the lesson. Okay, Saina was a happy-go-lucky girl at school, but she always experienced fight when she stepped on a stage. Saina was a happy-go-lucky girl at school. Happy-go-lucky girl. Okay, happy-go-lucky means not caring or worrying about the future. She was not caring about anything and she was not caring about her future. But she always experienced fright when she stepped on a stage. When she is going to perform something on the stage, she was getting afraid. Once, when she was 5 years old, she took part in a fancy dress competition dressed up as Jawaharlal Nehru. When she went up on stage, she saluted the audience and then forgot her lines. She stood there holding the salute and staring at her parents until they said, "Okay, come down now." See, here you can see Saina. She when she was 5 years old means she was studying in first class or yes, first class I think. Okay, uh, and when she was too small, when she was 5 years old, she went to perform uh, as Jawaharlal Nehru. She dressed up like Jawaharlal Nehru and she went up on stage and she saluted the audience as you can see in the picture. After that, she forgot her lines. She wanted to say something on stage, right? But those lines she forgot those lines and she was staring, she was looking at her parents until they said, "Okay, come down now." Okay, got she was afraid, she got frightened and their parents told her to come back. Her parents encouraged her to keep performing on stage, but each time she would stand tongue tied on stage, staring at her mummy and papa until they said, "Okay, calm down now." She would always wonder how other children said their dialogue so confidently while she always forgot hers. Her parents encouraged her to keep performing on the stage. Every time she was getting afraid and she were not she was not saying her lines there on the stage, but every time each time her parents were encouraging her and they were telling her to uh, perform something on the stage. And when she go on the stage, no, she was tongue tied. Tongue tied means not able to speak because of shyness or nervous. She was not able to speak on the stage because of shyness. She was shy to speak or she was tensed. And their parents, usually her parents, uh, call her back and they will say, "Okay, don't worry, you come down." She was always wondering about her friends or other students, they were performing well on the stage. They were saying their dialogues on the stage so confidently, but she could not do that. But Saina did not let her fear performing in front of people stop her from succeeding in life. Watching her parents playing badminton, Saina also developed a love for the game. She wanted to become a great player. She had learned from her parents that hard work was the only way to success. She practiced the game regularly. But Saina did not let her fear of performing in front of people stop her from succeeding in life. She did not let her fear in front of performing in front of others. She was keep on performing. She wanted to do something on in front of peoples, and she wanted to success in her life. And watching her parents play badminton, her parents were playing badminton. Watching them, she started to play badminton. Saina also developed a love for the game. She loved the game badminton, and she wanted to become a great player. She wanted to become a great badminton player, and she had learned from parents that hard work was the only way to success. She practiced the game regularly. Her parents were playing badminton, right? And she learned that we have to do hard work in our life to get success in our life. So she was not ready to fail. She wanted to success in her life, so she practiced the game regularly. Okay, read this lesson properly up to here. You read it today and do this activity. Okay, let us continue the lesson in next class.